Hello, dear friends. Welcome to this video. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring stories that can change your perspective on life. Your support means the world to me. Nothing is free. In an old town, there lived a young man named Amin. He always dreamed of an easy life, one without struggle, without effort, filled only with rewards. Whenever he saw farmers working from dawn till dusk, or students burning the midnight oil to study, he thought, why should life be so hard? Isn't the stranger in the market? One day in the marketplace, a wealthy-looking man approached him. The man smiled and said, "Young boy, do you want me to show you a way to live without hard work? A way to become rich in the shortest time?" Excited, Amin replied, "Yes, that's exactly what I've always dreamed of." The man showed him a bag full of gold coins. "Look, I earned all this without lifting a finger. You can too. Just trust me." Blinded by greed, Amin handed over his small savings to the man for a promised great investment. Days turned into weeks, but the man never returned. Amin finally realized it was a scam. Back home, the mother's wisdom. Broken and hopeless, Amin returned home. His wise mother embraced him and said, "My son, the world has its own law. Nothing is free. Even a smile carries effort and emotion behind it. Every blessing, every success, every knowledge has its price." Her words struck deep in Amin's heart. He realized he had always been chasing illusions. If this story has touched your heart so far, please hit the like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of our powerful stories. Let's continue. The beginning of change. From that day, Amin decided to change. He became an apprentice to a blacksmith. The work was hard, his hands blistered, his clothes were always dirty. But slowly, he learned the art of shaping iron with fire. For the first time in his life, he felt a deep satisfaction no easy money could ever bring. At night, he studied under the lamp, gaining both knowledge and wisdom. His teacher, impressed by his dedication, eventually entrusted the workshop to him, the fruit of hard work. Years passed. Amin became not just a skilled blacksmith, but also a respected merchant. People admired him for his honesty and perseverance. One day, a young man asked him, "Master, I heard you are very successful. Can you tell me the secret of success?" "For free?" Amin smiled and said, "My son, nothing is free. Even my words are not free, because behind them lie years of sweat, failure, tears, and endless effort. The secret of success is simple. Work hard, be patient, and never trust fake shortcuts." Final message. At the end of his life, Amin told his children and students, "If you ever receive something without effort, be sure that one day it will be taken from you at a heavy cost. But what you earn through hard work can never be stolen. Remember this forever. Nothing is free." Thank you for watching, dear friends. If this story inspired you, please like the video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more motivational stories. Your support helps this channel grow and bring more inspiring content to you.